These are almond cookies, healthy low-carb almond cookies. 4 simple ingredients. Almond butter cookies, low-carb, 4 simple ingredients. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. Okay, I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees. I'm going on the grill, nice clean grill, or you can go into the oven if you like. But I've got heat on this side, and nothing in the center where the cookies are going to go. So I've got a mixing bowl. I've got 1 cup of almond butter. This is Kirkland brand. So in that goes. Got a teaspoon of vanilla. One beaten egg. And I've got some Swerve Brown. If you haven't tried it, it's really good. It's Swerve Brown sugar replacement. And I'm going to fold in some chocolate chips. These are Lily's chocolate chips. There's no carbs in that. We're just going to mix this up. And I've got a cookie sheet with some parchment paper on. And we're just going to put a little blob whatever size you like. There you go. I divided that up into 12 cookies. I'm going to take the back side of this fork and just kind of press it down just like a little bit. There we go. There's 12 cookies. Pretty evenly spaced. In we go. Indirect heat, 350 degrees, and I'm right on 350. Now this is going to go for 10 minutes, but I'm going to check it after 7. I've got some wind blowing through here and it might burn hot. It's pretty easy to do it inside in the oven. It's more challenging if you're cooking outside on a grill. So I'll watch this. Okay, these almond butter cookies turned out great. So what happened was after 7 minutes, I rotated them on the top grate there. And I went for 9 minutes in total. And then I just took the tray off and let it sit for about 5 minutes. You can put them onto a cooling rack like this if you want, but I just prefer just to leave it on the tray. So they look pretty good. They just come off nice and easily. Low carb almond cookies with some chocolate chips in them. Pretty easy to make. 4 ingredients. Almond cookies. Thanks for watching.